Okay. Now wait. Papa opening. Okay. Slowly we have to open. Okay. Okay. Done. Wait. Done. One more chance. Yeah. This is cement mixer truck. Wait. See? Okay. Nice one. Very good. Wow. See? Okay, let's try. Wow, very good. Parking. Yeah, one more round and parking, okay? Come on. Yeah. इसे सीधा parking. Now parking done, okay? Now which one open? Dump truck or JCB? JCB, okay. You want JCB? Okay, I'll open. Yeah, this is easy. खुदाई करके डंप ट्रक में डालेगा ये और उसके बाद फिर सीमेंट ट्रक से सीमेंट भर के रोलर से दबा देगा और उस पर ऑटो चला लेगा यस पूरा एसीएस भी ब्लॉक बन जाएगा तुम्हारा तो ओके वाओ सी दिस वेट ये देखो जेसीबी उठा वाह बस इतना ही Wait, one round parking, then open, okay? One round. Let's go. Oh, this one also. Wow. See, excavate. I will open.
Open.
Okay, calm down. Low, excavator, park karo. Excavator, parking here. Wow. Yay. Yeah.
Now it open.
Very good. Now we'll open dump truck. Okay, let's move this garbage aside. Okay. This dump truck. Okay. Open the door and take the dump truck out. Wow. This is toolbox to open this. Wow. Oh. Service station.
This one?
Yeah. Dum.
Come
on.
Take for all this water.
Parking and one more truck. Wow, happy, nice dump truck. First park it. इधर ले आओ. And sit down here. What is this? What is this? Oh, one more gaadi came. What is this? Tell me. This one? Roller. This one? JCB. This one? Auto. This one? Dump truck. This one?
One more bus is coming.
Wait, do not reveal that. What is this one?
One more gali coming.
Tell me, Happy, what is this one? Tanker. What is this one? Racing car. Star Bazaar car. Oh, what is this one?
School bus.
School bus. Wow.